Very good morning, friends. I am Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Based on the India Wix, I have calculated the level. India Wix has cooled off to 13.68. Based on that, I have got the levels for daily low to be 23,390 and daily high to be 23,728. These are the two boundaries for the trade today, and weekly low to be 23,112 and weekly high to be 24,006. Coming to the analysis, what has happened in the previous week is from Monday, Tuesday, it rallied. It was a trendy up move. Like this. And then market has corrected from Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday within the range of the previous Monday's low. Now, immediate support is around 23,390. Suppose if the market takes like this, support like this. Like this, it can go up. So initially, any pop-up like this should not be traded. You need to wait for the support and then you need to take the trade. Suppose if it gaps up above 23,728 and continues to move higher, it can achieve 24,006. And coming to the Bank Nifty, the same pattern you are seeing, it rallied from Tuesday, Monday, Tuesday, both the days it has rallied. Compared to even, sorry. It rallied from Monday to Tuesday. And the price, you can see, this is Tuesday. Why it is coming like this? Oh, I have gone to some other thing. Sorry. Let me. Bank Nifty. Let me go there. Type in Bank Nifty. Yes. Sorry about it. Monday, Tuesday, it rallied. It rallied. It went sideways on Wednesday and Thursday. Friday was the downfall. It is within the range of the previous week. Now it has retraced 0.38. So probably if it comes to 49,779, which is placed around 0.5 fib tool retracement. So that becomes a great support for the market and it can start moving higher. If it crosses 50,517, Bank Nifty can achieve 51,110 in the market. For today's levels, the immediate resistance is 50,517 and immediate support is around 49,779. The second support is 49,206 and second resistance is 51,110. These are the levels only if the market shows extreme behavior breaking below. If it breaks below 49,779, we can anticipate for the 49,206, or if it breaks above, we can anticipate for 51,110. So Correction, it is a correction actually from the up move, trendy up move. It has made an higher high and higher high. If it holds these levels, it will be higher low, and we can see market moving higher in the market. Today's price action is very crucial for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty. They need to hold their support levels. If they hold their support levels, market will continue upwards. There is no threat for the structure, and we can trade comfortably. Thank you very much, friends. Narnakshi Swami signing off. I wish you all good trading day and profitable day.